In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access and explore historical cryptocurrency data using CoinMarketCap's Historical Snapshots. This is a powerful tool for anyone interested in examining how the cryptocurrency market has evolved over the years. Whether you're a seasoned investor, a curious observer, or a student of digital currencies, this feature offers invaluable insights into the history of crypto assets. Let's begin by heading to CoinMarketCap. Simply type CoinMarketCap into your web browser's address bar and press Enter. This will bring you to the homepage, the central hub for all things cryptocurrency. At the top of this page, you'll notice a menu with several options like cryptocurrencies, providing easy navigation to the wealth of data available on the site. What we're interested in today, however, is tucked within a slightly less obvious section. Direct your attention to this top menu and look for the option labeled Historical Snapshots. Clicking on Historical Snapshots will transport you to an archive page. This is where CoinMarketCap stores all their past data, neatly organized and ready for you to explore. Once you arrive at the archive page, you'll need to click on Historical Snapshots again, which is crucial to proceed. This double click essentially confirms your desire to delve into the past. Now you're faced with a list of years, each one representing a treasure trove of information. These years start from 2013 and go all the way up to the present day. Choose a year that you're particularly interested in. Perhaps it's the year Bitcoin first caught your attention, or maybe when another cryptocurrency made headlines. The choice is yours, depending on what historical data you are keen to uncover. After you've clicked on a year, the page will expand to reveal a series of snapshot dates broken down by weeks. These are meticulously documented and offer you a week-by-week account of market positions and valuations. Suppose you're looking at 2020. You might see dates like January 5th and January 12th. Go ahead and click on a date that piques your interest. Congratulations! You've now accessed a historical snapshot. You're looking at a preserved record of the market as it stood in that particular week. You can explore which cryptocurrencies were leading the market, their market caps, and their prices at that moment in time. It's like having a window into the past, enabling you to compare and contrast with the present market. Draw insights and strategize your future moves. Taking the time to explore these snapshots can offer a narrative to the ebb and flow of the market, deepen your understanding, and inform your decisions moving forward. So dive in and discover the story of the cryptocurrency market through the years.